job here today in Darlinghurst for a customer. Now, they've basically what's happened, they've been renting the property, and they have a socket here in the bedroom. It's the only socket in the place. There's a yellow cable going out of that. You can see I've got an F-set connected directly to it. And we're getting a nice clear tone on the F-set, both lines. But what's happened is they'd actually had these floorboards going into here. They were all starting to buckle and bow. So they had, the landlord got somebody to come in and to replace these timber panellings. But when they did, that was the exact same time as their internet dropped out here. So there's a very good chance that this is cut, almost certain that it's cut, because I'll show you outside. We're getting out here. So you can see here there's a ducting, and you've got the two yellow cables. One of these would be their neighbours in here, number 14, and then number 16 is there. But we're not getting any tone on those cables coming back out. So I would say, almost 100% certain, that that has been cut under that floor there. So what we're proposing is to, through this ducting, drill a hole to come through on the other side here, then run down in some slimline duct, and then we're going to clip a yellow piece of 2-pair cables around the top of that skirting all the way along. Then we're going to have to go up and over the door frame around here to down this side here, because that's the only other place they've got a power point where they can plug their router in. So this is going to need to get approval from the landlord, and then we can go ahead with it.